Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Visual Studio extension which can be used to actually convert your CSV files, comma separated value files, to JSON files, or you can do vice versa as well. You can convert JSON files to CSV as well, right in the editor itself while you are coding. So just you need to go to the extensions tab and just search here CSV to JSON. Just search CSV to JSON. This is actually the extension, this one. This is actually the logo right here, and let me just uninstall it and install it once again. You'll see 49,000 downloads at the time of recording this video. So this is the actually developer of this, and simply click install. And once you install it globally, you need to close this, and now you can actually make a simple sample.csv file. As you know, CSV file is comma separated value, so these are the columns: name, age, country. Then we define the actual values, rows. So now we have defined this, and we can now, if you want to convert this into JSON, so what you need to do, Control Shift P in your, to open this terminal. So here you will select convert CSV to JSON. As you type, this will open. So simply select this option. So if you select it, you will see conversion is successful. Now it has created sample.json with the same name. You will now see your CSV file has been converted. And you get this result. This is your JSON file created from the CSV file. So you can add one more record. So if you do the same thing once again, now you can see that record will also get added. So now you can do the reverse process. If you delete this sample.csv file, so if you have this JSON file now, you can do the same process. This time this will be convert JSON to CSV. So now from this JSON file, we can create a CSV file. Simply select this option, and now it will create this sample.csv. You will now see these records there, which have been created from this JSON file. It's a very simple extension which does the same simple task of converting CSV to JSON or JSON to CSV. So now we take an example of CSV file which has got a lot of records. You will see 1,000 records are there, and it's a pretty long file. So in this scenarios, this extension comes really handy because you don't need any third-party library or go to any third-party website for converting CSV to JSON file. You can do it right in the VS Code editor. Again, same process, convert this CSV to JSON. Select this option, and it takes no time. You can see now it create this JSON file for, you can see, a valid JSON file. So you can see for all the 1,000 records which were there, it has created a JSON file. And same goes if you delete this CSV file. If you have this JSON file, you can just say convert JSON to CSV. So it will create these records. So really simple extension, and once you install it, you can convert CSV to JSON or JSON to CSV. And I showed you this extension, and just install it. No advanced settings are there, simply need to install it and then use it. Very simple. So this was the tutorial. So thank you very much for watching this. If you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. and I will be seeing you in the next one.